This is Mrs. Croner. I am the computer science teacher at San Marcos High School, and we learn how to code in Java, JavaScript, and Python. We do this by 4 different classes. In CS1, we learn JavaScript. CS2, we learn Python. APCSA, we do Java. And APCS principles, we learn various languages depending on your skill level. What would you learn in CS1? Basics of hardware and software, cyber security, and monitoring your digital footprint. We also learn how to code in JavaScript using Carol, console, and graphics. A few of the samples that my students have created are here using pixels, where they colored in each individual square. Depending on the number of squares, they got detail and interest. We also created graphics using the JavaScript graphics program, using circles and rectangles to create all these different pictures. What would you learn in CS2? You would continue learning the basics of hardware and software. You'd learn about the collection and use of big data. And we would learn in-depth Python using console, ear sketch, and graphics. Here are just a few of the samples of the graphics. As you can see on the screen, there's also some websites for the ear sketch ringtones that we completed, 3 of the more interesting ones. What would you learn in CS principles? Well, it focuses on the big 6 ideas: creative development, data, algorithms and programming, computer systems and networks, and the impact of coding. This is a broad-based class where you learn a little bit about a bunch of different things. What do I learn in APCSA? Well, it's a focus in Java, where you learn modularity, variables, control, and impact of computing. What order should you take them in? My recommendation would be to take CS1 and then CS2. They would count as your language credit as well as learning coding. APCS principles can be taken as a freshman. It's one of the 2 AP classes that are allowed, but should only be considered if AP classes are your goal. If you take CS1 and you do really well, you can double up and take CS2 and APCS principles in the next year. APCSA is a challenging and fast-paced class. It is recommended that you have some coding background before taking this class, but it is not mandatory. So I look forward to seeing you in classes, and I hope that you have fun learning coding. Have a good day.